Hello everyone and welcome to the Zoom classes. Today we'll be learning about Cotter joint. The diagram of the Cotter joint is as follows. A Cotter joint is a temporary joint which is used to connect two mechanical components. It is made up of three main parts. The first part over here is a socket which is highlighted in red. The solid shape of socket can be seen as follows. A socket is made up of three main parts: socket collar, socket end and socket rod. The same can be seen in the 2D diagram: socket rod, socket end and socket collar. The second main part of a Cotter joint is spigot, which is highlighted in green. The solid figure of spigot is as follows. A spigot is also made up of three main parts: spigot rod, spigot collar and spigot end. As you can see, both the socket and spigot have a slot based or created on them. The third main component of a Cotter joint is a Cotter itself, which is highlighted in violet. The solid shape of Cotter is as follows. Now, to understand Cotter joint more precisely, we'll try to assemble 3D diagram of a Cotter joint. As we know, a Cotter joint is made up of three parts. The blue one is your spigot, the orange one is your socket, and the green one is the Cotter. Now to assemble them, what we need to do is we need to drag this spigot inside the socket. The socket will allow the spigot to enter only up to its collar. Now, before we insert the Cotter in the slot, we need to see whether both the slot of socket and spigot are perfectly aligned. So as we can see, the slots are perfectly aligned. Now we are ready to insert the Cotter. So as we can see, our Cotter joint is completely ready.